time and go get that. You've always shot your left one really well, haven't you? I mean, I think you have ever since you started.
Pull.
Got him.
Good job. Good job. I missed the first one. Well, it went fast too, didn't it?
It
never
jumped.
did slow down. Yeah. It did fast.
Dang hill.
Yeah.
Pull.
I gotta give it to you. But probably shooting just a little quicker, okay? Rascal. See as it disappears into the brush. Good break at first, and man, it's all over that rascal.
Pull. Damn it!